Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. And today in this video I'm gonna show how to access emoji on Mac using hotkey. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. To enable emoji access on Mac using a hotkey, open System Settings or System Preferences. And go to Keyboard Settings. Under the Keyboard tab, look for Press Globe or the FN key 2. And select Show Emoji and Symbols. The same setting on prior Mac OS looks like this. You can now access the emoji picker from anywhere on the Mac, simply by pressing the FN or globe key to bring the emoji and symbols panel up. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.